Hey guys, it is Thursday, August 19th, 20th. Today was a lot better. Got started this morning. I was able to calibrate the whole combine, basically. Everything calibrated perfect. Then I was actually able to calibrate my moisture and then my yield, so now I'm getting a good reading on my yield. And other than that, I've just got one more issue with the guidance, which I've got a wiring harness they had to order, and it made it to the dealership today. They called, said it was there, so they're gonna come out tomorrow and put that on, and after I get that on, then there's pretty much nothing else to do except run it. I've been running all morning, and it's been doing good. So I think once we get that done, then that's it. We're just ready to run the wheels off of it. Well, the combine's working great. It's doing about as good as you can do. I still don't have the guidance, you know. That's gonna get fixed tomorrow sometime to drive. But, the other issue is we've got rain coming, and it is, I don't know if you can see, but see all those clouds coming? There's a spot right there that looks like the sunshine's peeking through, so if that comes across will be alright, but this right here all around there is dark rain cloud. There's the corn. Got two trucks running right now. They're I'm over here in the valley, so they're dumping at the gin, so they only have about a 3-mile run, and then they're dumping. I got PA, he's down there at the grain dryer, he's handling all that. He's unloading trucks and washing the grain dryer and make sure it runs, and then I got Wayne loading out too down there, loading trucks to be hauled to Sylvester. Everything's running down. Everybody's working. Trucks are hauling out, combine's running, grain carts are going, so finally I feel like we're getting something done. We got rained out second day in a row, but that's okay. We still need the rain on the beans and the cotton, so we'll take it. But at least we are combining corn, so we ran, it's 3:20, so we got going at like 8:30, so we got something done. But as you can tell, we are getting rained out, but you can see it. It's raining really hard back there. But that's okay. But it's a chance of rain for the rest of the week, like every day. Pretty good chance, but nothing you can do about that. But anyway, the combine was running perfect. Rain came through so fast. If the sun came out, maybe I would get back going. This right here, when I keep talking about the GPS, the guidance stuff, this is what I'm talking about on my corn head. It's got these little feeler rods, and this is right where a corn row goes into the header, and so it's feeling a corn row right here, and then on the other side it's feeling this corn row. So both corn rows are guiding this thing, and that is what is turning the steering in the back. That is actually what is gauging where my combine needs to drive. It's a really good product. I've had it, gosh, I've had it for a long time, that system. It works really great, keeps it right on the row. Now if you have a really curved row, like an in row that does a lot of this, now it's not going to do that, but as long as your AB lines are straight, those straight rows out in your field, it'll guide those all day long. Dodging rainstorms today. They're all around us. It's rain. It's about 360 degrees all around. Came across real quick here. Only rained like a tenth, so I got that going. But now I see dark clouds coming to the south. Right there. That's going to be the cloud that's going to get us, because everything's coming out of the south today. Everything's coming south and moving up north. It's not normal, but that's the way they're moving today. So if we can dodge that one, I could probably finish out the day. So keep my fingers crossed, keep rolling. Well, that will officially do it for today. I was able to make just a couple more passes, and then now I am getting rained out pretty good. Some big drops on this one, and it's working its way across right now. I'm right here on the edge of it. Corn wasn't flowing in there too good anyway. The leaves were still kind of damp, so it was going to get worse and worse, but now I'm officially done.